Spring is a popular Java application framework for building enterprise applications. It has several modules. 1. Spring Core provides core functionality of the Spring framework like dependency injection, aspect-oriented programming, etc. 2. Spring AOP provides aspect-oriented programming implementation for Spring framework. It helps in modularizing concerns in the code. 3. Spring JDBC simplifies database access and provides exception handling. 4. Spring JMS simplifies Java Messaging Service API. 5. Spring MVC Model View Controller Framework to build web applications. 6. Spring Security provides authentication and authorization support. 7. Spring Test provides unit testing and integration testing support. Some of the major benefits of Spring are: 1. Loose coupling through dependency injection, the components are loosely coupled. 2. Easy integration provides easy integration with third-party libraries. 3. Promoting best practices promotes good practices like programming to interfaces, loose coupling, etc. 4. Transaction management provides a consistent transaction management interface. 5. Exception handling provides a convenient API to translate technology-specific exceptions into unchecked exceptions. 6. Reduces boilerplate code reduces a lot of boilerplate code in JDBC, JMS, etc. The Spring framework is built on the Spring version of Control IOC container. The IOC container helps in injecting dependencies to various objects. Some of the main Spring projects based on the Spring framework are: 1. Spring Boot micro framework to build web applications. 2. Spring Data simplifies data access layer. 3. Spring Batch for batch processing. 4. Spring Integration enterprise application integration solution. 5. Spring Cloud for building cloud-native applications. That covers the basics of Spring framework. Let me know if you need more details.